Hi! Welcome to my bake shop. I'm so excited to bake with you. We'll make lots of different desserts, and you'll even create your very own recipes to make at home. Ooh, my friends have ordered some very tasty princess cake. Let's bake a beautiful princess cake together. Baking powder and salt into a large bowl. To mix even quicker, use Orange Blossom's electric mixer. Mix the ingredients together. Perfect! Beat the butter until soft. Add in the sugar. Beat until the mixture is pale and fluffy. Add the eggs and vanilla to the mixture. Mix the ingredients together. Combine the ingredients in the bowl. Just tilt to pour. Now add milk. Orange Blossom's electric mixer makes this step easier. Mix the ingredients together. Now let's grease the cake mold. Slowly pour the mixture into the mold. Just tilt the screen to pour. Use Blueberry Muffin's convection oven to bake your dessert more quickly. It smells so very good! If you want to fill... Now, choose your favorite princess. You can be more precise with Cherry Jam's icing press. Now let's create a beautiful dress using your favorite icing colors. Icing will melt if it's spread on the cake before the cake has cooled. Let's add some sprinkles to our dessert. Use your finger to spread them around. Tap the arrow when you are done to go to the next step. Now we can add candles, toppings, and decorations. You can move them, change their size, and turn them however you'd like. If we add candles, we'll get to blow them out. I love your decorations! Congratulations! We're done! Yay! We filled Orange Blossom's order! That looks very delicious! To eat your dessert, just tap on it. Whenever you're ready, let's go choose our next dessert to bake.